HelloNote is excited to announce an update to our dynamic form, resolving an issue where the Social Security number wasn't appearing. The forms now accurately display the Social Security number and reflect changes instantly. Let's explore how this enhances the user experience. First, click on the Patients tab in the left navigation bar. On the Patients page, select a specific patient from a list. For this demo, we'll use a patient without a Social Security number in the system. To test our dynamic form, click Send Consent and Intake. When the form pop-up appears, toggle Enable Dynamic Forms, select the desired form, and click Save to send it. Once the form is sent successfully, you can click on the provided URL to be redirected to the intake form page. To access the form, we'll verify the patient's date of birth. This will allow us to view the form populated with the patient's demographic information. On the form, all fields display the patient's information, except for the Social Security number field, which is empty because there is no data stored in the system. We'll input a number in the field and submit the form to see the immediate changes reflected on the site. Return to the site and refresh the patient's page. You'll now see the newly added Social Security number stored in our system. Now, we'll edit the Social Security number on the dynamic form. Follow the same procedure as before by sending the form to the patient again. Open the form by clicking on the provided link and verify the patient's date of birth to access it. The Social Security number is displayed correctly as 123456789. We'll now change it to the opposite order, 9876543321, and submit the form to ensure it updates successfully. Return to the patient's page and refresh it. You should now see the updated Social Security number displayed as 9876543321. The issues with the Social Security number not displaying properly and changes not being reflected on the site are now fully resolved. Users can smoothly update their Social Security number on the forms and see the changes immediately on the site. If you have any problems or concerns during this video, please feel free to reach out.